Using the fraction ruler to multiply fractions. This is the fraction ruler that we made week 1. If you have not filled out this ruler, then you need to see the video, fraction ruler video. So now we're going to use this fraction ruler that we filled out week 1 to look at what it means to multiply fractions. So we want to look at the problem 1/2 of 5/8 and see what that means. What is 1/2 of 5/8? So here is 5/8 and we want to take half of it. So if this is a candy bar, we want to know what half of that candy bar is. One thing we can do is we can count all the 16ths. If we count across, we see that there are 10 pieces in this candy bar. So we want half of those 10 pieces, which would be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is half of 5/8. So we see that 1/2 of 5/8 is 5/16. This agrees with our procedure for multiplication of fractions. When we multiply fractions, we go top times top and bottom times bottom. What is 1/2 of 3/4? Okay, so 3/4 is the same as 12/16. Half of 12/16 would be 6/16. So here's half. Half of 12/16 is equal to 6/16. And 6/16 reduces 3/8 is our final answer. So now let's look at the math procedure. 1/2 times 3/4 is 3/8. And we know that when you multiply fractions, you multiply top times top and bottom times bottom. So our procedure agrees with what we got by looking at the fraction ruler. What is 1/2 of 7/8? So here's 7/8. 7/8 is equal to 14/16. Half of that is 7/16. And we can see that half of 7/8 is 7/16. Let's look at the procedure and see if it agrees. 1/2 of 7/8 is 7/16. Top times top and bottom times bottom. Our procedure agrees with our picture.